Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to stabilize shaky footage using the built-in stabilization tool. If you have ever shot a video and noticed some unwanted camera shake, whether from handheld shots or movement, I'll show you how to fix them. So let's get started. Let's import our footage. If you want to follow along, you can download this footage from the link provided in the description. Once your footage is imported, drag it to timeline to create a new sequence. So let's see our footage. As you can see, there is some camera movement here and there. We'll try to smooth it. Next, we are going to add the warp stabilizer effect, which is the tool we'll use to stabilize the footage. So go to the effects, and here you can search for the warp stabilizer. Here it is. Just select this and drag on your footage. It will start analyzing. Once you have applied the effect, you will see it in the effects control panel here, right side. Here. We'll have a few different options to fine-tune the stabilization. So let's go through them. First, we'll see the result here. This controls the type of stabilization applied. You can leave it on smooth motion for most cases. But if your footage is very shaky, try switching it to no motion to lock the camera to view entirely. Next is method. This is where you can choose the type of stabilization algorithm. Subspace warp is the default and works well for most situations. Perspective or position, scale, rotation are good alternatives if you're dealing with more subtle shakes, or if you notice strange warping with subspace warp. Then there is a smoothness. This controls how smooth you want the final shot to look. You're going to start with the default 50% settings, but if you still see some jitter, try increasing it. Just be aware, too much smoothness can cause unnatural distortion in your footage. Now Premiere is automatically analyze our footage, so let's see. As you can see, it's very smooth now. If you're still seeing some jitter in your footage, you can go back into effects panel and adjust. One thing to keep in mind is that when you stabilize footage, the software may crop the edges of your video to compensate for the shake. If you want to reduce cropping, you can scale your footage down a little. For that, you can go to your motion section of this area here. As you can see here, if you have maximum scale, you can reduce this one like 120 or 130. I'll show you right now. So you can see here there is still some movement, and I want to lock the camera. So let's see how we can do this. Just go to here in result and select no motion instead of a smooth motion. It will take some time to reanalyze and apply the effect. Now let's play and see. As you can see, now there is no movement, camera is locked. Now let's see how much it has scaled. So I'll zoom out a bit. So now this is at 150. I'll reduce it to 120. Let's see. So it has scaled a bit at the edges. I'll show you how. Just make it 100%. You can see the difference here. So you can see what it has done. So now I have made this 100%. So you can see how much it has scaled and cropped. It has cropped this much. So now we need to scale it from 100%. We'll make it to 120%. Now let's see. This is looking perfect. So we have reduced the scale from 150 to 120%. And that's it. You have successfully stabilized your shaky footage in Premiere Pro. It's easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more video editing tips. And if you have any questions or need further help, drop them in comments below. I would love to help you out. See you next time.